Today we're going to take a look at the Progressive Dynamics 50 amp, 120 volt, 240 volt AC automatic transfer switch in this metal box. Now this is a 50 amp transfer switch that will automatically move AC power between two separate 120 volt and 240 volt input sources. It will automatically switch the power to your breaker panel between shore power and generator as needed. This switch will sense the generator power and automatically switch to prevent two power sources from entering your AC distribution panel at once. So the application for this is like power cords, onboard generators, onboard inverters. Has this protective cover on the top here that has a wiring schematic on the inside of it. It helps protect everything on the inside. What we're going to do now is just want to remove that so you can see what the inside looks like. It has one little screw right over here on the side. So we just take that screw out. And actually, you don't even have to take it out all the way. It will lift up. So we'll remove the lid. And we had mentioned there's the wire schematic you can see that's posted on the inside of the lid. And there's the inside of your transfer switch box here. It does use a time delay circuit board to ensure generator voltage is at a stable level before switching. If you notice, it does use the screw type wiring terminals, help prevent any wiring errors. And it's all in a metal enclosure for safety. It does use mechanical and electrical safety interlocks. Now when you go to install this, there's two installation options. The first one is at the electrical entry of the RV on the line side of the main distribution panel. This will allow switching for your entire electrical load. Your other option is on the load side of the panel between the main panel and the sub panel, and this will allow switching for only the designated circuits. Now this transfer switch is not suitable for outdoor locations, should be mounted on a nice flat surface with 4 screws in a protected area. Now the screws to install this are not included, and we also recommend that the transfer switch be mounted as close to the shore power and generator power cords as practical to reduce voltage loss. This is UL 1008 transfer switch standard compliant. It is ETL listed. This part is assembled in the USA. A few specs on this. Voltage is 120 volts, 240 volts AC. The current rating, line rating, is 50 amps. The current neutral rating is 70 amps. A few measurements on this. The weight of it is about 7 pounds. And dimensions on this, the length. When we measure it, we're going to measure where you mount it from the mounting brackets all the way end to end is right at 10 3/8 inches long. The width, which will be at the top where the lid is going to be right at 6 7/8 inches wide. And your total depth is right at 4.5 inches deep. But that should do it for the review on the Progressive Dynamics 50 amp, 120 volt, 240 volt AC automatic transfer switch in the metal box.